Hello everyone and welcome to the Mechanics Club channel. In a recent video we have seen how to import citations and references to the EndNote software using files such as these two files right here. Those files are of course the EndNote citation files that you can download from Google directly. But for some particular cases or for some reasons those files may not be available to be downloaded. For that case, we need to create our own citations using the EndNote software and the documents available in our hands. For example, let's say that I have this article right here and this thesis or citation right here, and I need to create citations or reference for each one of them. Of course, we can do that following a couple of easy and quick steps. First, we have to identify the type of the document to extract a particular information that we need to create the reference in the EndNote software manually. For example, for a thesis or dissertation, we need the title of the thesis, the author of course, the type of the thesis, department if available, the university of course, and the year. For a journal article, we need the title of course of that article and the authors, the journal name, the issue and the pages, and of course the year. To make things organized and easy, we can take these informations that I just mentioned and place them in a text document. I have already done this step, and those are the information of the article and those are the information of the thesis. Following that, of course, we go to the EndNote software and click on this icon right here, or just using the Ctrl and shortcut to open this window right here. The first step is to choose the type of the reference. From this list right here, we have all the references or the type of references that we need. We got the journal article, thesis, web page, report, plenty of type of references. Of course, I'm gonna start with the journal article, and I will go to the document or the text document that I just placed the information on it, and I start filling the corresponding blanks with the right information. I copy the authors of that article to the blank where it said the authors, and I paste them. Of course, after that I take the year, copy and paste it in its place. Following that, the title of the article, copy and paste, and the journal. The same thing for the volume. After that, the issue, I believe it's 1. And finally, the pages, 152 to 74. Then I just click on this right here to close. A dialog box will appear to confirm saving the information or the reference that I just created. Of course, we click on yes to save the reference, and there we have our reference right here. Of course, I do the same for the thesis or the other reference. I click on this icon, just change the type of the reference to the thesis. Of course, I start filling the blanks just as I did for the article. I copy and paste each information to the corresponding blank. Now the title of the thesis, copy and paste under the title blank, and then the department, copy and paste in the academic department, and finally the university under the university blank. I click here on this option. The dialog box will appear and I click on yes to save the reference. I can see that those are the references that I just created. Of course, I can insert them to the Word documents following the same steps as we mentioned it in the previous video. For example, I select the article, the reference of the article right here, and go to the document where I want to insert the reference, and I select the place where I need to place the reference. Go to the EndNote tab, and of course we have explained some of these in the previous video as the style is right here, and I just click on insert selected citation, and you can see that the reference is inserted and the list is created at the bottom of the document. Of course, I can insert the second reference. I just go to the EndNote software, I select the corresponding reference, then back to the documents, to the EndNote tab, and select the option insert selected citation, and I can see that the reference is inserted. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.